Sai Ram children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, today is our environmental studies class and we are going to start a new chapter from the book Science, that is chapter 11, weight, volume and density. In this chapter we are going to first read about what is weight, what is volume and then density. How we have to measure the things according to these three. Alright? Yes. Yes, children, first of all, how do you measure the amount of material in an object by the space it occupied or by its weight? How do you measure this? That this particular thing occupies this much space or this particular thing has this much weight. Does the weight of an object decide whether it float or on water or sink? First of all, we are going to read this. How do you measure the amount of material in an object? Its space occupied, by its space occupied or by its weight. And secondly, we are going to see that we are going to we are going to read that weight affects or weight of an object decide whether the thing will float or sink. Okay, first of all, you can measure the amount of material in two ways. You can measure the amount of material in two ways. There are two ways of measuring the amount of material. First of all, by its volume. Second, by its weight. By its volume or by its weight. When you buy petrol or milk, what are the things we are going to buy? Petrol or milk. You measure its volume in liter. You measure its volume in liters. Thus, you buy these things by measuring how much space or volume they occupy. But when you buy rice and potato, you measure their weight in kg. Have you heard that your mother is going to buy some vegetable and she is saying, give me 1 liter of potato? No. She say, give me 1 kg potato. Give me 1 kg rice. Thus, you buy these things by measuring how much heavy they are. That is by their weight. If we are supposed to buy milk or petrol, we are going to buy it in liters. Alright. If we are going to buy rice or potatoes, we are going to measure it in kgs. Okay. You buy these things by measuring how heavy they are by their weight. But when we talk about this, we measure these by measuring how much space or volume they occupy. Got it? Now, what is the relationship between the volume and weight of a substance? What is a relation? What is a connection? What is a relation or what is a connection between the volume and weight of a substance? When the volume of a substance increases, its weight also increases. When the volume of substance increases, its weight also increases. And more the weight of the rice you buy, greater its volume. Okay. When the volume of the substance increases, the weight also increases. The weight of the thing is also automatically increases. For example, if you buy more rice, greater become its volume. Means if you are buying 1 kg rice, okay, you will store it in 1 kg box. But if you are buying 10 kgs of rice, so you need, its volume is also great, means the quantity is more, so you need 10 kg box to buy the to store the rice. Okay, this is the connection. Higher the volume, higher will be the weight. Increase volume, increase the weight. See, 1 kg of the thing or 1 kg of a rice require less space to store. 2 kg volume, 2 kg weight, 5 kg volume increase, weight increase. But if we talk about cotton, if you buy 1 kg cotton, then see, the volume of storing rice is low as compared to the 1 kg of, as compared with the volume of 1 kg of cotton. Okay. But suppose you buy the same weight of cotton and rice. Here you have seen, if you are buying 1 kg of cotton and 1 kg of rice, which will have the greater volume? Which will have the greater volume? 1 kg of rice and 1 kg of cotton. Whose volume is high? Volume of cotton is high or more. The cotton wool is lighter. The cotton wool is lighter than rice. So different material have different volume for the same weight. Okay, the rice is heavy and cotton is lightweight. Agree? Cotton is lightweight. If we buy 1 kg of rice and we buy 1 kg of cotton, so the volume of cotton is more because it is light. So the 1 kg has very 1 kg cotton has more volume. See in this picture, 1 kg of rice and its volume is low. But if you buy 1 kg of cotton, see its volume because it is of light weight. So volume may be different of different material for the same weight. Different material have different volume for the same weight. Okay. See, 1 kg of rice and 1 kg of cotton. If we take equal volume of rice and cotton wool, which one will be heavier? Obviously, rice is heavier. That's why its volume is low. So equal volume means 1 kg, equal volume of different materials have different weight. Equal amount of different material have different weights. Equal volume means 1 kg of two different things. Have different weights. To compare the volume of different materials, we find their densities. See, 5 kg rice and less than 1 kg cotton. 5 kg rice we have taken and we have taken less than 1 kg cotton. Different weight for same volume means volume, the storage is same, but its weight is different. So this we will calculate from its density, from the word densities. What is density? Density is defined as the weight or the weight of unit volume of the substance. Okay children, the density of a substance actually tell us how closely the molecules in the substance are packed. We have solid, liquid, gas. The molecule in solid are tightly packed, very tightly packed. They don't have space in between. But when we are talking about liquid, the molecules are little free. The shape of solid cannot be changed, but the shape of liquid can be changed depend on the material on which we are pouring it. And this is gas. The molecules of gas are far from each other. That's why gas can move anywhere. So the density of the substance actually tell us how closely the molecules in a substance are packed. Density is defined as the weight of the volume of a substance. And what is the formula of calculating density? Density is equal to weight upon volume. Density is equal to weight upon volume. The greater density of the substance, the heavier it feels as its molecules are packed so closely. Means if we are comparing a solid thing with a liquid thing, a solid thing with a liquid thing, so solid is heavier than liquid. Why? Because the molecules are tightly packed. For example, ice. Thus, rice has greater density than cotton. Means rice is more heavier than cotton. Okay, understood? Okay, first of all, tell me, what are the two ways of measuring the amount of two material? We have volume and weight. And what is density? Density is equal to what is the relation between volume and weight of a substance? When volume increases, weight also increases. When the volume of a substance increases, its weight also increases. The more the weight, the greater its volume. Means if we are buying 5 kg of rice, so its volume is also high. What is density? Density tell us how closely the molecules in the substance are packed. The density of a substance actually tells us how closely the molecules are packed, and density is equal to weight upon volume. So children, I hope till here you understood. Kindly read the chapter thoroughly so that you can understood more. Okay? Till then, take care of yourself and Sai Ram.